This is Mohsin Hassan Bhatt. Dear students, I am going to teach you about heredity and evolution. Heredity and evolution. So let's start. Heredity and evolution. First of all, we need to understand about heredity. So what is heredity? Transmission of features, characteristics, traits from one generation to the next generation. Heredity means when features, characteristics, or traits are transferred from one generation to the next generation. This can be termed as heredity. Okay, and the next one is evolution. Evolution is a tangible change in the heritable characteristics of a population over several generations, or evolution can be termed as the process by which populations of organisms change over generations. So, evolution is a tangible change in the heritable characteristics, those characteristics which are inherent in population and their generations, that can be termed as evolution. In short, the process by which populations of organisms can change over generations can be termed as evolution. So, how are the characteristics, how are the features or traits transferred from parents to their offsprings? This is a question. So, let's understand this. Traits are transferred through genes during sexual mode of reproduction. The traits, characteristics, or features are transferred through genes through sexual mode of reproduction. When parents intimate their genes and their traits are transferred through genes during reproduction. So we can say that traits are transferred or are inherent in offsprings by their parents when their parents get intimated, when they reproduce, and by nature their traits are transferred to their offsprings. And where can get we genetic information? DNA. From DNA we can get information about genes. Genetic information can be found through DNA. So where is this DNA found? DNA is found in chromosomes of our cells. The cells that are present in our body, they contain DNA. Okay. And now let's start. What is the importance of evolution? What is evolution? And I have told you what is evolution. Now we are going to study about the importance of evolution. Helps us to understand how a species come into existence. Evolution helps us that how a species come into existence, how it becomes extinct, how a particular species becomes extinct. Okay, let's recap this. Heredity, heredity is the transmission of features or characteristics or traits from one generation to the next generation. It can be termed as heredity. And the next one is evolution. Evolution is a tangible change in the heritable characteristics of a population over several generations. When population of a particular territory, there are some changes, tangible changes in their characteristics that are heritable. This process can be termed as evolution. Okay, so where does these changes occur? These changes occur to new species, or we can say evolution is the process by which populations of organisms change over generations. So, how are traits transferred? How are these genes? How are these genes transferred from parents to their offsprings? So, simple is that these genes get transferred from parents to their offsprings through mode of reproduction. Through mode of reproduction. Where can get the information about genetic information? Where can we get genetic information? We can get genetic information from DNA, and the DNA is found in chromosomes of our cells. What is importance of evolution? Evolution is important because it helps us to understand how a species come into existence and how it becomes extinct. Thanks. Have a nice day.